你们好，我是 Tizzy 陈老师。你们今天好吗？ In today's mini lesson, you are going to learn the names of some fruits in Mandarin and make a popular Taiwanese fruit dessert with me. It is called candy fruit, 水果糖葫芦。Every Taiwanese kid knows 糖葫芦, and it's very common at night markets in Taiwan. Did you know that you can also make it yourself at home? It's actually very easy. Are you ready to start? If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I do a podcast and mini lessons for beginners and intermediate learners. If you want to practice your listening skills, you should subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new videos. If you want to turn on English subtitles, press the icon up here if you are using a smartphone or a tablet. If you are using a computer, press the icon down here. Now, let's get started. 奇异果、猕猴桃、番茄、西红柿、柳丁、橙子、葡萄、芒果、水果，好吃。芒果，一颗芒果。巴西，一颗巴西芒果。柳丁，橙子，一颗柳丁，一颗橙子。西班牙，一颗西班牙柳丁，一颗西班牙橙子。奇异果，猕猴桃，一颗奇异果，一颗猕猴桃。意大利，一颗意大利奇异果，一颗意大利猕猴桃。番茄，西红柿，一盒。番茄，一盒。西红柿。西班牙，一盒西班牙番茄，一盒西班牙西红柿。葡萄，一盒。葡萄，一盒西班牙葡萄。糖， 400克，水200克，葡萄、番茄、西红柿、奇异果、猕猴桃、芒果、柳丁、橙子、糖、水、冰水。好吃，好吃，好吃，好吃，好吃。我喜欢吃水果，你呢？你喜欢吃芒果还是葡萄？芒果、葡萄我都喜欢吃，你呢？我不喜欢吃木瓜。你不喜欢吃什么水果？我最喜欢的水果是芒果。你最喜欢的水果是什么？我的水果糖葫芦很好吃。你的水果糖葫芦好吃吗？ So, that's all for today's lesson. You are welcome to share your answers in the comment section below. If you like this mini lesson, please give me a thumbs up. In the next mini lesson, you are going to learn how to make tea in Mandarin. See you next time. 再见。